Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, November 24th, 2024. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and let's get started. So, I'm having some issues with my Thinkorswim charts, so I'm just doing them off of the stock charts right now. So, the first chart we're looking at, this is the put call ratio, and you can see we're at levels that really you typically see some type of pullback in the indexes rather than an extension because there's no really where you're not looking at any kind of safety net. Everybody has the call end of it. So typically what happens is you get the spike up there, we get the move down, and then it resets the whole thing. So when we are up here, this is where I was saying this could be the low right here because we spiked up, and now we're looking at where this may be the top. So we have to just wait and see what plays out with that. But right now, this is not really supportive of any kind of sustained rally. So let's take a look at our other charts. Just taking a look at the weekly chart here, you can see this rising wedge. We hit the top of it right there. If it was going to follow this, then you'd be looking for a move to come down to the bottom here, which would bring us right around that 5,500. And that would be a decent little resting time for it. The danger, here's some sell signals on the weekly charts. So that's something, you really don't want to get that comfortable with on the long side, just because when we do get the drop, it's probably going to be a lot further down than a lot of people are anticipating. So right now, really the important level for the Bears, the first line in the sand, is going to be the 59.30. If the Bears can get through that, that's when I would anticipate that we're going to have a move coming somewhere down into the 58.70 level, possibly even lower. Now, if they get through this support, that's where we're looking at a move coming somewhere down into the 57.73, and that would close the gap. So the gap down here was closed. You can see we're actually kind of in the we're moving off of the overbought levels, oversold levels, and again, this is the 60-minute chart. We didn't really have we had some bearish divergences, but right now we're just really closing gaps. So if the bulls head higher, then we're really going to be looking at a move coming probably back up to the 6,014 target. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. So, this was a decent little bottom right here, but right now, hopefully we're going to start pulling into the overbought levels. I'm still not comfortable, really buying right now, just for it's mainly the geopolitical reasons. And on top of that, I just think that doesn't, we've gone way, way too far, too fast right now on this. So seeing some back end and filling would be, I would be welcomed, honestly. But I think, you could look at it, look for areas to buy as well. So, if we just take a quick look at the 15-minute, and what you can see here is we actually do have sell signals because you can see the price going up here and you can see momentum coming down. So this is a divergence. We're right at some resistance. I'm actually going to pull it into where I can. Okay, so here we are on the 15-minute chart, and what I really did is just kind of show you where the say the pivot lines are that the bulls need to get through. So that's going to be right around that 59.82. If they do that, then we're starting to look at a move coming somewhere up at these tops. The bears need to get it through this 59.30 level. If they do that, you can see we have support at the 59.27. Let's just say that support, this support zone right here. If the Bears get through it, that's when we anticipate that we're going to be coming down and testing these levels. But you can see we have some sell signals. So we just have to, really, if the bulls break out, this is where we're going to be looking to, for the upside. And if they take out the 59.27, then we're anticipating it to come down here. So let's just see what plays out tomorrow. Have a fantastic rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.